I'm gonna try the new PT feature, image generation on my mobile, and I'm gonna give it a prompt. And by the way, to access it, you cannot access it directly from your phone, especially the new feature, unless if you are a paid person. So what I'm gonna do, I'll start by the prompt, and the prompt I'm using is create a hyper realistic sunset over an ocean with birds in the horizon and reflection on the water. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to tell it to add a quote with a text. Hello Joy, okay, or maybe hello Summer. And I want to see how it's gonna generate. We're gonna be testing to see if it can generate on our mobile. So to make sure that it is generating on our mobile, or maybe on the mobile version, I'm gonna add use the latest ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the prompt, and I have added this. Use the ChatGPT image generation feature. Use the latest. I need to use the latest to make sure that it is actually giving our results. And we're gonna click here, the button here. I'm gonna click and let's see. And as you can see, it's saying getting started. Okay, because if you just do it directly, in a minute I will show you, it won't generate anything. But will ChatGPT generate very realistic and also very good visuals? We want to try, and I'm gonna show you, because guys, I've tried this and I think ChatGPT has it, like OpenAI has won this game finally. And this is best for bloggers if you want to generate images for your websites. This is best for content creators if you want to generate thumbnails. This is best for people who want to generate digital products. You can generate digital products using ChatGPT new feature by creating, let's say if you want to create a book, an image book, this is just best. It has so many uses. You can generate images for your social media campaigns, or maybe for your social media post. And let's wait and see. So I'm gonna count how much, or maybe how long it's gonna take. So as you can see here, it started 3.16. Right now we are almost 2 minutes have gone, and ChatGPT it's taking time. And remember, I'm using a free version, but for those people who are actually on a pro version, you can actually I think the timing, maybe the time that it takes is less, and also the images you can just generate as much as possible. Okay, for the free version, I think it is only 2 images that you are going to be given by the new feature for image generation. Let's see and see if it's gonna generate. It is still generating, and it says image created. Let's see. Wow, hello Summer. Wow, you guys, this is so powerful. Can you see? Let's revisit what I said. I said create a hyper realistic sunset over an ocean with birds in the horizon and the reflection on the water with a text. Hello Summer. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see the birds? Hello Summer. The text, the one thing I have realized is that it gives just the text the same way you have said it. Maybe let's say turn it turn it into so I'm gonna just give it something, turn it into another style, each cartoonish, and add some another text. Okay, and as you can see, it is getting it is getting started. Let's give it, maybe I think it takes around 3 minutes to actually generate on a free version on your mobile. Okay, so just to be sure, or maybe just to be clear, when you are using mobile app, where you're gonna come here, you can see this is where you can actually start chatting with ChatGPT. You just click here, and then you're gonna see this one. If you use this one, it won't generate the same answer. Okay, and then advanced voice mode, search, reason, summarize, text, analyze. These are some of the features, but we are not going to do that. So let's wait and see. This is 2 minutes later, and it is still generating. Let's see if it can figure or it can think, because I have not given it any specific style here, not specific, but I have given it extra work to actually add a text. Let's see what text it's gonna add. And it tells you here, creating image may take a moment, so it's gonna tell you some time, the time it's gonna take. Like, it tells you while it is creating or maybe thinking. So one thing I have realized, it is that if you're on a free version, you're gonna wait for quite some time before you get the results, or maybe the image is created. Wow, can you see? Hello summer. So this is so perfect. It has changed this one, this style. Let's download this one. Okay, and then it has generated this one, but add another text. Okay, it has not added anything, but it has retained the same text that we had told it at first. Okay, I'm gonna download it. This is where you go to download, or if you want to share. So guys, there you have I just wanted to show you the new feature, or how to use it, especially knowing that you need to add this, use the latest ChatGPT image generation feature. I'll see you next in my next video with more tutorials on how to generate and on how to use this new feature for your own benefits. Okay.